CarbonSOP create a structure list. We have to create some of the DSS file like this, and here we will create the structure list by the Excel. And for the first three lines, we will write in the model, the type, and the version to remark for ourselves. And number 4, now we can see here is the meaning of each column's meaning. And from this, we will see we have a 1, 3, 7, 8, 9. So here, where DSF is step 1, 3, 7, 8, 9. On the other hand, in our step, here it's 1, A1, A3, A7, A8, and A9 as follow like this. From 1 to 3, that means we have a 2 piece. And 3 to 7, it means the number 3, there are 4 pieces. And from 7 to 8, now we know there is only 1 piece in number 7. Like this way, we will have a note there are how many pieces in this column. And here we were in the same piece, in the same of the material, and then here is the same material, so we write down the material and write down the layer is only 1, and the angle is 0. And this way, these two columns, just write down some of the and write down his dimension. You can write any dimension you like, or if possible, please write down the one DSF, his width and his height. Then we will get a better information. Then we do it all like this. There are two number 47. So here it's to the A47. So that's all.